Yeah. Maaga kaming umalis kanina. 6 a.m. Kasi I have an 8 o'clock morning appointment sa isang specialista, liver doctor. Natapos kami doon ng isang oras. So, alas 9, tapos na. Consultation lang naman, tapos binigyan ako ng reseta. Yung resetang binigyan niya sa akin, is to, kasi apparently I have hepatitis B, but it's dormant. Now, my rheumatologist is changing my medication for my arthritis to a new drug, which is a cancer drug. And before I get that, they have to make sure that the hepatitis in my liver is not gonna come back, or will not go active. So that medication is gonna keep that dormant, keep the hepatitis dormant. You see, yung medication ko, my medication for my arthritis, which is methotrexate, doesn't work for me anymore. I'm on the maximum dose already, plus prednisone, which is a, what you call that? Steroid, plus naproxen, which is anti-inflammatory. They don't work for me anymore. I'm still very much, look at that, swelling up. So I've been in those medications for a while now, for a decade now, I think. So yeah, they need to change it because it doesn't work anymore. Bakit kaya? Pag kumakain ka ng masarap, tumutulong sipon mo. So annoying. So, nasa akin na yung bagong gamot para sa liver. And I will just wait for my rheumatologist to ring me to let me know when I'm going to start on the new drug. Mabuti na lang, ang consultation sa specialista is free. Kasi doon siya ginawa sa hospital mismo, public hospital. Kapag sa clinic nila, may bayad. So, pag sa hospital, walang bayad. Tapos, yung gamot, libre din. Sa hospital din namin kinuha. Sa pharmacy ng hospital. This is really good. Every little thing helps. Kasi, I am not working since I got diagnosed with cancer. I tried to go back, but no, cannot be. But now that I am going to have another cancer drug, because yung bagong drug na ibibigay sa akin ng rheumatologist ko is a cancer drug, manghihina ang katawan ko na naman ito. Pero, hindi naman ako nanghina nung nag-chemo ako. So, most likely, magiging ganun din. Walang masyadong epekto sa akin. Well, hopefully, I don't get the side effects. Yum. There you go. I finished one crab. So this one is for later. Thank you. See you later. God bless. Bye.